Hi, and welcome back to R&Y Inside Learning Hub. This is Sumit Chaudhary, and you are watching API testing series. Today, we will discuss on advantage of the API testing. Guys, I know this is very or previous, very boring type of lecture. Actually, I am not include any example. Actually, these are the topic are theoretically, but very important to help to we can say understand the API, or we can say build the basic of the API. So uh, we will create a how we can test API with the help of Postman or different kind of tools like Ready API or Kotlin. Okay, in coming video. But as before, we must to understand the theory part. Okay, so I have no any kind of example, or we can say the any kind of you know कोई ऐसा तरीका नहीं है जो मैं आपको दिखाऊं किस तरीके से मैं इसको एलोबरेट करूं एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू। तो ये है कि हमें समझना है ताकि हम हमारा बेसिक पाए। ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन। As we already discussed in earlier video, API testing offers several advantages that help to improve the quality, reliability, and efficiency of software development and testing process. Some of the key advantages of the API testing are first, early detection of issue. So API testing can be performed early in the development cycle, allowing team to detect and address issue before they propagate to higher level of the application, such as user interface. So this reduces the cost and effort required to fix problem. And API testing help to understand the business flow. तो API की हेल्प API टेस्टिंग जब हम कर रहे होते हैं तो हम ये भी चेक कर रहे होते हैं कि जो हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट है वो हम उसी वे में हम अपना ये जो प्रोडक्ट है हम सही बना रहे हैं नहीं बना रहे हैं। ठीक है, सही बन रहा है नहीं बन रहा है एज ए टेस्टर। उससे क्या सारा ज्यादा से ज्यादा बग निकल के आते हैं। अब जब यूआई टेस्टिंग हम कर रहे होते हैं उनमें फंक्शनैलिटी हम ऑलरेडी टेस्ट कर चुके हैं तो हमारा टाइम बहुत बच जाता है। ओके, नाउ द सेकंड इज आइसोलेशन ऑफ कंपोनेंट्स। सो एपीआई अलाउ यू टू टेस्ट इंडिविजुअल कंपोनेंट और सर्विसेज इन आइसोलेशन, मेकिंग इट easier to pinpoint the resource of any defect or performance bottlenecks. The isolation simplifies debugging and troubleshooting. Next is faster test execution. So API tests typically execute faster than UI tests because they don't involve rendering or user interface. The speed enable quicker feedback and support continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines. अब जब हम ब्राउजर ओपन करते हैं तो उसमें क्या HTML लोड होने में काफी टाइम लगता है और जब हम कोई एक्शन परफॉर्म करते हैं तब API कॉल होती है। तो API को कॉल और API को डेटा लोड होने में, या हम कह सकते हैं कि डेटाबेस से कम्युनिकेट करने में इतना टाइम नहीं लगता, डिपेंड करता है सर्वर पर, इंटरनेट स्पीड पर। ठीक है, तो इट सेव अ टाइम, लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम। नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज टेस्ट reusability. API test can be reused across different part of application. making it more efficient to maintain and extend test coverage. This reusability help save time and effort in test development. Automate friendly. API testing is well suited for automation. Automate test can be easily integrated and CI/CD pipelines. Enable continuous testing and faster delivery of software update. So अगर हम कंपेयर करें यूआई टेस्टिंग की, यूआई ऑटोमेशन की with the using of Selenium, if you are experienced automation tester, if and you have if you automate web or UI, so you can understand what I'm trying to say here. Okay, we can automate API as quicker comparison the UI testing. We we face lots of challenges during the UI testing. Okay, some of the condition we face the issues during the Selenium interact with the UI, or we can say find the element. But in the API testing is very quick and fast with the help of REST assured or so many libraries. Now the next is stability. API endpoints tend to be more stable than user interface, which can be changed frequently. This stability makes API testing a reliable way to ensure that core functionality of an application remain intact. Sorry guys for disturbance. अगर आपको पीछे का शोर आ रहा हो तो उसके लिए सॉरी. ओके, ये चलता रहता है हमारे गली मोहल्ले में. ओके, now the second is, or we can say next is scalability. I missed out the scalability part, but I will cover. The scalability API test can be scaled to handle high result and allowing to simulate real world uses scenario and test performance of the API under test. And the next is security testing. So API are common target for the security threats, as because API are the responsible to transfer the data from the user to database and database to user, okay, through the server. So API testing can help identify vulnerabilities and security issues, allowing you to address them before they are exploited by the malware actors, or we can say hacker. So we must to test the authentication type or SQL injection during the API testing. The next is cross-platform testing. Cross-platform testing help to across the different operation system, browser and devices without the need of extension modification. Improve collaboration. API testing promotes collaboration between development and testing teams. Becomes API provide a clear interface for communication and testing, reducing misunderstanding and improving overall project coordination. And documentation validation. As already told you, API tests can ensure that the API documentation accurately reflect the behavior of the API, helping developer and consumer of the API understanding how to use it correctly. Or we can say API help to test the requirement better as compared with the UI. Last but not least, regression testing. So regression testing effective for the performance to ensure that the changes or update to the application do not introduce new issues or breaking existing functionality. So API testing play a crucial role in modern software development by offering numerous benefits, including early issue detection, efficiency, reusability, automation support, and improved collaboration, ultimately leading to high software quality and faster delivery. These are the most common advantage of the API testing. So we must to focus on the API testing as because it help to improve the quality and save the time during the UI testing. Okay, I hope you understand the concept and you like the video. To show your feedback and your love, please like the video and share it with your network. If you have any question and suggestion and feedback related this video and previous video, then feel free to comment on the comment section. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the updated notification. Thank you for giving your valuable time to watch this video. Thank you guys.